Good morning. Welcome to Prasanta Behara spoken English classes. I have already taught you 3 classes about active and passive voice. In the first class, you have learned how present tense convert into the passive structure. In the second class or part 2, active and passive voice, you have learned how past tense convert into the passive structure. In the third class, part 3 of active and passive voice, you have learned how modal verbs convert into the passive structure. So you have to know about active and passive voice. You have to watch all my videos to learn completely. Today I shall discuss how interrogative sentences convert into the passive structure. I am giving examples to you and some rules how interrogative sentences convert into the passive structure. Present simple. In present simple, first we have to follow the rules. The rules is helping verb. First you use helping verb as it is the interrogative sentence plus object. In the affirmative sentence also you start from the object, but in the interrogative sentence first is the helping verb, then object, plus third from the verb, plus by clear, plus subject, plus question. This is the rule of interrogative sentence of present simple. If it is present simple, you use the rules and answer it. Suppose the question is, does he eat mango? Question. Does he eat mango? What is the object here? Mango. So we use mango here object, so we use mango is. So is you start the helping verb is, here answering helping verb is, this is the passive structure is, then object mango, third one the verb eaten. By in active sentence the passive sentence will be him. Then you put the question mark. Clear now? So you have already known all the rules of present tense, past tense. Simple, present simple, present continuous or progressive, present perfect. You have already known the rules. So this is the rule of present simple. Then present progressive. In present progressive, what is the rule? First you have to write as V or helping verb plus object plus BEING. I have already discussed in the first class of active and passive voice. In continuous or progressive we use being plus third from the verb plus by plus subject plus question mark. Here if you make question, then the question, you can make the question, is he eating mango? Is he eating mango? Is he eating mango? Question mark. You can answer it here. Once again, mango means eat. You have to use first eat, then object mango. Each mango being eaten by him. Clear now? Each mango being eaten by him. If it is the he in the active voice, then you have to write him in the passive structure. In the next structure is the present perfect. In present perfect, here present perfect. Present perfect, you have to also follow the rules. Here rule is HB means helping verb plus object plus in the perfect you have to use being plus third from the verb plus by plus subject. Clear now? So here you can write the example: catch he eaten mango. Put the question mark because we are discussing how interrogative sentences convert into the passive structure. So has he eaten mango? So here answer is has. Clear? Now helping verb, then object mango, has mango, then been, then third of the verb eaten by him. You can give also other type of examples in the interrogative form. You can also give example: has he done the work? Here you can give another example also: has he done the work? What is the answer? How can you make the passive structure? Has he done the work? Has the work been done by him? Has the work been done by him? So this is the formation of passive interrogative sentences. Now again I shall discuss you people in the part 3 classes or third classes of my active and passive voices. I have already discussed about future, but once again I am discussing with you about the future simple and future perfect. How to use future simple and future perfect. After that I'll give you some tasks to you. You can do at your home and send it in my personal WhatsApp number. I will give you my WhatsApp number. After that I will give you some tasks. You can send it in the comment box also and in my personal number also. My personal number is 9658032516. You can do the task and send it my personal number also. So now I will give one example or format of future simple. Future simple. Future simple. In future simple, what is the rule of future simple? Object, I have already discussed you in the last class, plus will or shall, plus be, plus third form of the verb plus by plus object. I have already discussed you in the last class. Object plus will or shall plus be plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject. And in the future perfect, what is the rule? Object plus will or shall plus have been plus third from the verb plus by plus subject. Once again, look clearly. Future simple and future perfect. In future simple, we have to add after the will shall only be. But here in future perfect, we have to use been. Here be, here been. Have been, we have to use have been. So in future, I am giving one example to you. My elder brother will pay my school fee. My elder brother will pay my school fee. Here I am writing empty sentence. My elder brother will pay school fee. You can write also school fee. SCHOOL, school fee. My elder brother will pay school fee. So, how to convert into the passive structure? Here, school fee. This is the object. School fee object. This is the verb and this is the subject. SVO. So school fee, then you have to write will, then be plus third from the verb, paid, PID paid, pay, the V3 is the third from the verb is the paid. School fee will be paid by my elder brother. Clear now? School fee will be paid by my elder brother. Here you can give another example, future perfect. Here rule is object plus will or shall plus have been plus third from the verb plus by plus subject. Here you can give one example. I shall have done my home task. I shall have done my home task. I shall have done my home task. Here I is the subject, shall have done is the verb, home task, my home task is the object. So this is the rule. First write object here, my home task. Passive structure, my home task. Then here shall, my home task shall have been done. My home task shall have been done by me. Today I have discussed how interrogative sentences convert into the passive structure. Also I discussed yesterday class, I discussed about the future, how future forms shall and will used to convert into the passive structure. Today I shall discuss all these things. Now I am giving some tasks to you. You do in your copy and send it in my personal WhatsApp number. You can write the answer in the comment box also. You can send it in the comment box also. So I am giving some questions. Question number 1. Postman delivers the letters. I have already discussed this format, so I am giving you some questions. Postman delivers the letters. Question number 2. I am driving a car. This is the question number 2. I am driving a car. Question number 3. He has done the work. He had done the work. Question number 4. The headmaster punished the student. The headmaster punished the student. Question number 5. He was playing football. He was playing football. Question number 6. I had completed the task. I had completed the task. I am giving some WH questions right now. Question number 7. Who has drawn this picture? So now I request all of you watch the video completely to answer all the questions. Thank you.